Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Wingate by Wyndham Bowling Green. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Wingate by Wyndham Bowling Green. Wingate by Wyndham Bowling Green is offering accommodations in Bowling Green. Featuring a fitness center, the 3-star hotel has air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi, each with a private bathroom. The property is non-smoking throughout and is located 3 miles from Sloan Convention Center. At the hotel, every room includes a desk and a flat-screen TV. Certain rooms include a kitchen with a fridge, an oven and a dishwasher. At Wingate by Wyndham Bowling Green, each room comes with bed linen and towels. The accommodation offers 3-star accommodations with an indoor pool and terrace. Free private parking and a business center are available, as well as a 24-hour front desk. CrossWinds Golf Course is 3.3 miles from Wingate by Wyndham Bowling Green, while Paul Walker Golf Course is 3.8 miles away. The nearest airport is Nashville International Airport, 66 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.